BJP baru kini kilongki khubor bamdagasngi. UMLA ke BJP bat menteri hak sarkar MDE ubak Sanbor Shullai loong bak Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kan yakun ka MP by election ban sawan Meghalaya. Habagran shikilat pathai khubor bak Shullai loong bak parti kalayo ikidak basai ni kidong yalam halor ka jingi shimbenta kan ka jingi kun election. Ula banjur bakum ka parti ka badan hakari ka BJP ka dan ka jingtmu ban penklan ya ka jingi dan benta jongka ha ka jilla. Ka parti kala ai kadang ka basai ba ka BJP kan yakun ya kan ka by election ong uba Shullai. Ula pentip ruba wat la ki jingya kran hapo ka parti kadang ya chakman hendrai ka rai ka bakat du halor ukertong kan wan na ka jingya lam jong ka parti high command. Ula ong ba ulong uba ko ngo ya ka parti bat ula kloi ban shim ya kan nu ka jingkit kli lada la batha yu. Lada ka parti high command ka ayanga kan nu ka kam ne batha yang ban yakun ngalak loi ban ko ngo ula ban ram. Habakdawi ki jingat lenti menshaw ba Shullai lo ang bahaki election ki beladem ki don por baki kertong ki yo tang kendiat ke por ban penkre bat ban yalab election. Wala kum taru ula banjur ya ka jing don kam jong ka jing yateli bat ka disiplin hapo ka parti. Ula pen pauru ka jing shania ba ka BJP kan rung syagani ka jing yakun da ka jing penkre ka bapura on dal sedang ka rukam tri kampat ba. Ha ka juk ka por ki wei part ki parti kum ka Congress bat ka National People's Party NPP ru kila ban bishar bian kila jingele jongki hadian ki jingye ko baladam hendrai hadu menta ompat don kanu ke jingpin napat ba halor ki kertong jongki
ki nongsong sunong ba jongka ri khasi dan tia jongi lai pun ru tri seats ki penjob ya UMP BJP ki penjob da ka BJP kumu MP tekemut ka kini ki issues concerning the interest of the people of our state lagi dai nak sing bahalang do fer kam ya ka ILP bat ka ya schedule ne ka ba danglong pending tekemut igine lala ban ya tikop tekemut kin kam sengap ba ke but maybe lara dia job ke BJP kumu BJP tu kumi kine ka state ke ban dio decision ban decision ban ayah tadi ban fulfill the long aspiration of the people of Khasi Ktien Khasi state.
Tapi ko ba di pi na su pa ba halal kan ni bentawat.
Ang kata ngong ba pi ki di pa ba ki bini ke. Apo Delhi, apo ki BJP ruling states ki yo do kadut bakangap kan bagi ang yo lut. Te hang ne bagi menang ban tebu. Ki priang ya BJP. Mereka skim baru aku BJP ka ki pai bagi tipu dia kata baru ki Sanbor Shullai ko sarkar ka kongres per ki sensyar mendeni dawan ka BJP bat dawan ka MDE government apo ke jalam jong chief minister Conrad Sungma da ka ngi trilang within a short span of time within 8 years now ai ka development pinpet ki national highway ki surok lenti singkien pinpet ki school pinpet ki college, pinpet ki university, pinpet paro ki sektor, paro ki development piyo lo. Tendawan oleh serga BJP full-fledged state, kinda ay tang sans nem ngasih ongi kata, ay say yengi life wing ngin tau dari BJP march sans nem san pulai tri sinem kelaya kelama di parti baper tengah ngabu yang dengan kerpat cepro ginong song juga Khasi jantia, ba sobha ay ke cisin mat to ay lat ya ke BJP pecan senam kali aku no lada pi sohun pi continue lam sohun ta weng no kata ke deka appeal dengan sipat ba rally organized by the Khasi Union is very peaceful and all people they appreciate there is some anti-social elements and drunkard here and there will be there so this BJP again will retain the power. Saman Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarmaji will all again continue as the chief minister of Assam. That is no doubt.
And any anti-incumbency will be there?
There is no anti-incumbency in Assam. Based on the information, based on the campaigning, based on the support of the people. Everywhere, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and all the party leaders from Delhi, wherever the campaign, you see lakhs and lakhs of people are responding, coming. So it means they are responding, they are attending the rally. It means they have decided to support the BJP. party workers. So they had a communication with our party high command and especially the in charge, Shri Anthony G. So the party from Delhi, they have given a green signal that we have to contest. BJP have to contest the election, but invitation of application we have not heard. Then yes, that day we have the foundation day, just 2 days ago, foundation day of the party, 47th foundation day of the party. So I was we were there, but they said we have not. They only from the yeah, they have given a green signal to the president. So we are yet this president is yet to call the application.
But are you willing, sir, if the opportunity comes?
You see, I am a party disciplined soldier of the party. If the party high command or the state command came to contest, so as a disciplined soldier, I have to go and to the battlefield and fight. Just to remind you, during the year 2019, unexpected, 3 weeks before the polling of the MP election, from party office at 12 o'clock midnight, they called me. Then they informed me that a mail came from Delhi that they have nominated you as the candidate for the BJP 2019. So as a disciplined soldier of party, to next day I get it prepared only 3 weeks. 3 weeks, imagine, only 3 weeks to campaign for 36 constituencies, only 3 weeks during 2019. So this time though, I don't know whom the party will nominate.
But you want whoever.
I'm a disciplined soldier of the party. If they say, Sanbor, you go, you do this, you do that, for a good thing, for the betterment of the people of the state. So I'm here to do that, to follow, to comply with the directive of the party high command.